friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making Japanese Tenmusu. The Tenmusu is a combination of our favorite tempura and rice ball. It's like a hamburger or sandwich for us. It's very satisfying, and the tempura batter that soaks up the eel sauce and that becomes soggy, but it goes so well with rice and nori. Let's get started. Let's start with making eel sauce, the sweet soy sauce. You can use this for various kinds of dishes and keep well in the fridge. Combine sugar and soy sauce and mirin and cook until reduced. Transfer to a bottle to easy to handle. And here we have a deveined and peeled shrimp. Pat dry and cut a shallow slit on the belly side and then stretch it until you hear the clicking sound. This will prevent your shrimp from curling up like C and keep it straight. To prepare the tempura batter, in a mixing bowl, combine tempura flour and cold water. Stir gently until just combined and leaving some lumps. Tempura flour is a pre-mixed flour, has baking soda and dried egg whites powder in it, and starch, and it helps to make a crispy tempura. You can find it at the Japanese food market or Japanese food section. Or if you don't have it, I have a recipe for you, so please check the description box below. And before dipping each shrimp into the tempura batter, coat the shrimp lightly with potato starch or tempura flour to stick nicely the batter. Heat the vegetable oil in a frying pan up to 180 degrees Celsius. This is how you can tell the oil is hot enough. Drop a butter and came up out of the oil right away and it didn't sink to the bottom. That's 180 degrees Celsius. Dip it carefully and slide the buttered shrimp into the hot oil and deep fry them until they turn golden and crispy. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it over several times to make a crispy tempura. When you see the bubbles outside of the tempura becomes smaller and the cooking sound becomes high tone, it's time to finish cooking. Skim off any tempura bits in between your different batches. And hover the shrimp over the hot oil for a little while to drip off any excess oil. It's gonna make an extra crispy tempura. Press them on a wire rack to drain excess oil. Now let's assemble. To prepare the nori seed, fold in 3 and split them into 3. It's that easy. Drizzle the shrimp tempura with eel sauce. And scoop rice to fill up to 1/3 of the rice bowl and put the shrimp on the rice and then fill more rice on top. And sprinkle some salt if you want and cover a piece of plastic and squeeze and shape into triangle. Wrap with a strip of nori around the rice bowl to hold it together. And it's done! Serve with takuan or pickles of your choice and enjoy. You can bring it to your bento, and actually it's quite popular in Japan, or picnic or gathering. Everyone loves it. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you soon. Bye!